The Realme P4 is a mid-range smartphone in the Realme P4 series, which also includes a Pro version. It was officially launched in India in August 2025. This phone is marketed as a device that balances a great display, long-lasting battery life, and solid performance for its price segment. Here are the pros, cons, special features and an overall conclusion of this phone. 4 pros. Massive battery and fast charging. The 7000 mAh battery is one of the largest in its segment, ensuring long-lasting usage. The 80W charging is also very fast, allowing for quick top-ups. Excellent display. The 144Hz Hyperglow AMOLED display offers an incredibly smooth and fluid experience for gaming and general use. The high peak brightness of 4500 nits makes it easily readable even under direct sunlight. Gaming performance. The combination of the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra and the dedicated Hyper-Vision AI chip allows for a stable 144 FPS in supported games, offering a top-tier gaming experience for its price. Slim and lightweight design. Despite the huge battery, the phone is remarkably slim and light, making it comfortable to hold and use. Good value for money. The Realme P4 offers a compelling set of features, from the display and performance to the battery, at a competitive price point, providing excellent value. 4 cons. Average camera quality. While the main 50MP camera is decent for the price, user reviews indicate that it can be inconsistent, especially in low-light conditions. The ultra-wide camera's quality is described as unimpressive, and the front camera is not up to par with some rivals. Lack of thermal efficiency. Some reviews suggest that the phone can get warm during long gaming sessions, despite the dedicated cooling system. Audio quality. The stereo speakers are noted to be loud but lack depth and bass, with the sound being described as tinny and unbalanced. No expandable storage. The phone does not have a microSD card slot, meaning users are limited to the internal storage options. No 3.5mm headphone jack, a common trend in modern smartphones, but a drawback for users who prefer wired headphones. For special features. Hyper-Vision AI chip. This is a key selling point of the Realme P4. This dedicated graphics chip enhances the resolution and frame rate of games and videos, allowing for a 144 FPS gaming experience and Ultra HD graphics that surpass native quality. 7000 mAh Titan battery with 80W Ultra charge. This massive battery and fast charging combination sets the phone apart, providing exceptional endurance and quick charging times. Hyperglow AMOLED display. The 144Hz refresh rate, HDR10+ support, and high peak brightness make this a top-tier display for its segment, offering a smooth and vibrant visual experience. IP65/IP66 water and dust resistance. This rating provides a good level of durability against splashes and dust, which is not always a given in this price range. Overall conclusion. The Realme P4 is a very strong contender in the mid-range smartphone market, particularly for users who prioritize gaming and battery life. Its stunning 144Hz AMOLED display, powerful processor with a dedicated AI chip, and a monstrous 7000 mAh battery with rapid charging make it an excellent choice for performance-oriented users. However, it makes some compromises in the camera department and audio quality. If your primary use cases are gaming, media consumption, and long battery life, the Realme P4 is a highly recommended and well-balanced device. If camera performance is your top priority, you might want to consider other options in a similar price bracket.